Ta'anganu'u and Nangangana, it goes together. If there's no culture, there's no language. If there's no language, then we'll fall in.
Yeah, we came in New Zealand in 2002. You know, when I took my son to the ECE, that's when I started to have the passion to change, because I saw the value of the foundation of children's learning here in Aoga Amata. Sharing of knowledge is very important to us. That's our perspective from a Pacific and Samoan, that we learn when we come together. The essence of us is that's our strength. So it's good to have multiple perspectives so that we can be more reliable.
Breathe.
It's sad because we need financial assistance in order for us to, sustain the service that we do. Ole tēnei sulu e maua ai whi ngota.
We are doing a lot of sharing and kōrero, one of the standards of our teaching, that we should embrace the Treaty of Waitangi. So we have to practice the Te Reo Māori, and I am so proud to do that as well. I know there's more Samoan teachers at the mainstream schools, but we need some young people to continue the job, improve the salaries and for our people. We would like our children to be brought up in our Whasamoa language, culture. It's very important, the spiritual well-being of the children. But ia o se pautuanga nei tatou mātua, ia e ngā lulu e whātasi, i lea tīna e ina.
It is very important to work together with other teachers so that we can all see the challenges that we come through, and we have to find solutions for those challenges by working together and understanding each other. My hope for the Aoga Amata and the children, it's for them to continue to maintain the language, the Samoan language, so that they can grow up and know their identity.
Fluent in Samoan, even though I was born in New Zealand, and that's solely because of my parents. Very hard and passionate parents about our ngangana and our whasamoa. And I hope to hold that same passion, and I can incorporate it into our Aoga Amata for our children and their families. I felt like I had more to prove as a New Zealand-born Samoan. You know, we do it for our moms, we do it for our families, we do it for our parents, we do it for our kids, we do it for our community, we do it for our culture and our language, we do it for Samoa. I didn't have to go through things like IELTS, and I feel like maybe I have more of an advantage because I was New Zealand born. Seeing my other teachers go through those struggles, it hurts me too, because it affects the way we work and the way we run things here at the Aoga. The challenges are that this is an aging sector. It's an aging sector. It's really sad to see there aren't many younger teachers coming through to Aoga Amata. I'm so passionate about my kids and their parents and my community and my church. Ole ala I le pule o le tautua. That's a proverb in Samoan. It's all about service.
I wasn't interested in this field to be a teacher. I was more like wanting to work in an office. But since when I brought my girls, that motivates me. I see a potential to be a teacher. From the old ladies that used to be teachers in Samoa that started our playgroup. I really enjoyed being in our Tawhasila Wha'i cluster, because I think the most important one is the networking among the teachers. We work in ways that we can help each other, and now some of the teachers, they ring each other. That's the bonus of it. They ring, can you help me with this? How do you do this? That's how we should work. That's how we should survive. You know, not by working on your own and you're struggling on your own. We should be helping each other to success. That's a medicine. Teachers should be well looked after. When we have happy teachers and teachers that are healthy, you have happy children. You can feel that. The Bible says, so we teach children at a younger age, so when they're old, they will never depart from it.